Welcome everyone to Carolina Wild Harvest. Today we are going to be harvesting our peanuts. So it is late October, just about to start the month of November, and our peanuts are just starting to brown, and so we think it's about time to harvest because we're probably going to get a frost in the next week or two. And these are the African runner peanuts. We've kind of taken over this bed and the walkway. I think the walkway is down here, so they've done really well in this spot, despite probably only getting like 6 to 8 hours of sunlight at max in the summer. But they really took off late in the season. So yeah, let's see what we got.
Also, there's only like, how many plants is this? Like 6 or?
I want to say there were like 4 in 2 rows. So
Okay.
like 8.
Okay. Yeah, 8 plants. We thought they weren't going to make it. They were, and they took off.
Yeah, they were really slow to start, but here they are.
All right, let's do this. Dig it up.
All right, so we're gonna kind of loosen the soil with this fork we have. See if that helps.
Oh, I see some. Oh, wow. Oh,
Good bit.
nice.
That's pretty much one plant there, it seems like. So that was like one peanut that yielded that much. So.
And yeah, you can see how they grow. They throw these in the ground and then produce all of that.
Just gonna run across the ground, African runner.
Super cool. All of the peanuts are dug up now. We went through and tried to find any ones that we missed. We only found a small basket. Now we're just going to put mulch over top here. There's our little basket of ones that just popped off during the digging up process. And then we have all of this to go through. Lots of peanuts.
All right, so here's all of our peanuts that we have harvested. I think it was like about 8 different plants we had. Not the biggest of yields, I don't think. I've definitely seen larger peanut yields, but again, we're dealing with the sunlight we've got. But yeah, we'll let these dry for a few weeks and then harvest each of the peanut shells or nuts off of the actual plant, and then they'll be ready for processing. Alright, so that's it for this video. Hope y'all liked the video. Definitely leave us a thumbs up if you did. Leave us some comments if you've ever grown peanuts before, or if you have any suggestions on how we can grow these better. We'd love to hear it. So yeah, appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.